Welcome to the tutorial for logging into Clever. Go to the waffle in the top left. The Clever app may be at the very top, or you can click on all apps and scroll way down until you find the Clever app. When you click on that, it should take you to the Clever page. It may ask you to log into your Microsoft 365 account. And you should see my page. On the left hand side, you can see that all of you students have been added to this page, and you will see all the apps that I've added. And you can find Code HS as one of the apps. When you click on that, it will take you to our Code HS course. And for STEAM 101, I have added the Intro to Computer Science class.